Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bonito. I bring the power of umami to your table. Crispy golden tempura and perfectly chilled soba. This is one of Japan's most popular and satisfying meals. In this recipe, I'll show you how to create light, hungry tempura and clean, flavorful soba at home, using simple techniques that make all the difference. Make the tsuyu dipping sauce. Combine all the ingredients in a small saucepan. Bring to a gentle simmer, then let it cool. Strain and set aside until ready to use. Cook the soba. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Cook the soba according to the package instruction. Drain and rinse thoroughly under cold running water to remove excess starch. Gently rub the noodles with your hand to clean them. Drain well and place on a bamboo mat, zaru, or plate. Prepare the shrimp and other ingredients. Peel and dip in the shrimp, leaving the tail zone. Trim the tip of each shrimp tail to prevent splatting in hot oil. Make a few shallow cuts on the underside, then gently stretch the shrimp to straight. This prevents curling during frying. Cut the green pepper in half and remove the seeds. Shred the pumpkin into 1/4 inch, 6 mm thick pieces. Make the tempura batter. In a bowl, combine cold water and egg yolk if using. Add the flour and mix lightly. Important: do not overmix. The batter should remain slightly lumpy. Fry the tempura. Heat the oil to 340 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 to 180 degrees Celsius. Lightly dust the shrimp with flour, then dip into the batter. Fry until light golden and crisp, about 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat with the vegetables. Remove and drain on a rack. To serve, arrange the chilled soba on a plate or a bamboo tray. Serve with the dipping sauce and toppings on the side. Place the freshly fried shrimp tempura alongside. Serve right away while the tempura is still crisp. With just a few elements, you can create a dish that feels both light and satisfying while you want to return to again and again.